If this is how you want to go to the next Halloween party, but you're afraid that your skin is going to break out and get really angry with you, worry not, because although I can't teach you how to do Halloween looks, I can teach you how to remove your Halloween makeup properly so you don't end up with breakouts. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel, we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. The key to wearing Halloween makeup without your skin freaking out is not only the removal process, but it starts with preparation. If you know what you're going to go for, prepare your skin accordingly. It should be a no-brainer that you wear a primer or a thick moisturizer to protect your skin. This one acts as kind of a barrier between your skin and the heavy, often stage makeup that you're going to wear. And do yourself a favor. If you plan on wearing latex parts glued to your skin, or maybe jewels or crystals or anything like that, consider shaving your face. Because if you need to pull that off with your mustache hairs still in place, it's going to be pretty irritating. But if you've prepped your face, put on the makeup, enjoy the late night, and now are home in your bathroom, what do you need to do to keep your skin happy and healthy? First thing, if you are wearing false lashes, take a Q-tip, pour a cleansing oil on that and gently rub along the lash band. That way you're going to dissolve the glue, and when you pull off your lashes, the risk of ripping out your own is lessened. You need to make sure that you do a double or maybe even a triple cleanse in parts, because the makeup needs to be broken down. And to break your makeup down, you need to use a cleansing oil or maybe a cleansing balm, because most balm cleansers are basically firm oil cleansers. Pour some into your hands, warm it up, and then start massaging it into your face, really taking your time so you break down all the makeup. Then go in with either a washcloth or a flannel or a microfiber cloth, whatever you prefer, and remove all the last traces. Rinse in between, then go back in. These microfiber cloths are a little bit irritating on the skin, so make sure to not scrub too hard, but they are perfect for you around the hairline, on your ears, down your neck, wherever you put the stuff that you're wearing on your face. After you've done that, rinse your face and then go in for a second cleanse. This time with a more lightweight cleanser, like a gel cleanser, a water-based cleanser. If your skin is really dry and irritated, maybe a cream cleanser, something that suits your skin and really cleans your pores and the rest of your face. Because the first step is just for makeup removal. Now's the part where you cleanse your skin and get rid of everything else. And this is where the third cleansing option comes into place, because sometimes, especially if you're wearing a lot around your eyes won't be as clean as the rest of your face. And most of the gel cleansers or foaming cleansers are not supposed to be used around the eyes. And by the way, if I'm talking about foaming cleansers, I'm not talking about the stripping ones, but the gentle ones. Eye makeup remover. Soak some cotton pads, preferably reusable ones, in eye makeup remover. Put them on your lashes and let them dissolve the makeup and everything, the last bits of glue, so you don't wake up with irritated, swollen eyes. After you've rinsed your face the second time, it's time to give back. I personally prefer hydration, hydration, hydration. So layer on your hydrating toners, hyaluronic acid serums, glycerin-rich moisturizers, whatever tickles your fancy. Because most of the time, if we had a late night out, we also have a lack of sleep and an abundance of alcohol and fatty foods, which will show on our skin. So hydration is key. I personally would step away from the actives because I want to give my skin time to rest. But I recommend you exfoliate 2 days before you put on your Halloween makeup. Your makeup will apply much smoother and you won't feel the need to do it when your skin is already irritated from the double cleanse and the heavy layer of makeup. And that is how you remove your Halloween makeup without waking up to a nightmare of pimples the next day. I'm going to link a video about double cleansing on the screen that I think you might enjoy, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!